We gotta break them up. Fly, you lock with me. Petra rides Chariot. Got it? Ready?
Ready.
In 3, 2, 1. I'm hit! Me too! Keep shooting, Petra! Body hit! Take her out! Go! I'm on!
Riggin! What are you doing? I told you to stay back! You okay?
What are you doing here? Bolter will kill you.
Can't go back now.
Well, then get in the game. We're losing.
They've got half their tomb back near their gate. Put your feet to mine. Redirect me.
Play dead. Don't draw your weapon till you know you have a shot.
Got it.
In 3, 2, 1.
They already opened the gate?
Petra,
Two armies burn enough. They had to block your view, too.
what are you doing here?
Colonel said you needed a sub. Guess he thought your odds were 0 with me on the other team.
Also agree to this?
Colonel Graf's orders.
He didn't have a choice.
Denki. Kneel.
What?
I have an idea. Kneel. Ready. In 3, 2, 1.
Fire now! Whoa, look out!
12 clear on the wall!
12 down, 20 to go. They could be right behind these forward stars or all the way back at their gate. Ready?
Ready. Dombo's have a bunch of stars around their gate like a giant donut. They're just hanging behind them.
No one closer.
Nah.
Nice. Let's see how they handle a formation.
We've never done a formation.
Then they won't expect one.
We still outnumber him. We should storm him and crush him.
Nah, we hold our positions. He has to come to us. We can't lose.
Open fire! They're drifting upward!
On my count, row 2, push row 1, we're changing direction. 30 degrees in 3, 2, 1, now! Reinforcements, row 6, now! Row 5, now! We're almost there! I'm hit!
Hold on!
Allah, you okay?
Yeah, are we there yet? Almost. Keep close, or I can't get hit.
We're nearly there!
Keep shooting! We did it! Yeah! Eat that! Dragon rules! Yes! Who's undefeated now? Dragon!
Still think he's not ready?
Don't be smug.
Afraid I might fail, that I might not measure up. But they made me a leader, and I promise you that I'll do everything I can to win this war. I know if anything ever happened to you, I would never forgive myself.
What are they doing?
Harvesting water.
If you're going to use me, I need to be closer.
Too risky. Let's not reveal our best weapon in what should be an easy attack. Alai, Bean, your dreads peel away. Track them from below the ice and mirror their path.
Swarming. They see us.
Deploy all drones. Give me 4 hyperbolic formations with 90-degree offsets. Open fire! Bean, Alai, on my call, fire directly up into the ice. We're gonna shred them. In 3, 2, 1, now!
What's he waiting for? Just give him a minute.
Ender, what do we do?
Ender, the enemy's gate is down.
Petra, you're up.
They're spread too wide for a chain reaction.
He's right. Just let him follow his instincts.
All battle groups deploy drones. Protect your carriers. Alai, you're Squadron 5. Engage. This is suicide.
Swarming.
Clump's enough for you now, Petra?
Once I fire, I need time to recharge.
Understood. Just go for the center. Fire now!
She did it.
Give me false color. We're not done yet.
But we are so screwed.
No, we're not. Charged, Petra.
No, I need 2 minutes.
All fighters fall back and surround Petra's ship.
Copy that.
I want rings within rings, layers upon layer, every fighter we have.
Ender, you're gonna leave our transporters defenseless.
We're gonna win this battle, Dink. It's all or nothing now. When the outer layer is hit, the wreckage will continue to drift with us like a shield. Do it now.
He's abandoning his entire fleet. He's in command. There's no stopping him now.
90 seconds, Ender.
No. I'm losing my carriers.
My dreadnoughts are out!
I don't care about dreadnoughts. Just protect Petra, like we protected Alive when we fought Bonestone.
I hope you know what you're doing.
Ready, Petra?
In 60 seconds. What am I aiming for?
The planet.
What?
If we destroy the planet, we destroy the Queens. Game over.
Ender, my targeting sensor needs a clear line of sight.
We will clear a path. All fighters maintain a clockwise rotation. Focus all firepower forward.
Ender, we're entering their atmosphere. We need to slow down.
can't. We're one unit now.
We're not equipped to handle the heat of passage through an atmosphere.
Our drones are our heat shield. Keep falling, let gravity do the work.
The shield won't hold forever!
We don't need forever.
30 seconds! I still don't have a clear shot.
We're burning up.
Bean, on my count, accelerate your fighters from the nodes of the formation in a continuous stream.
Yes, sir!
Like bullets from a rifle, you will clear a visual for Petra. We will drill a hole through the swarm. Petra, you'll only get a second.
That's all I need.
In 3, 2, 1. Now, Bean.
Shield integrity is at 5%.
Now, Petra, now!
7 seconds!
They've broken the shield!
Fire, Petra, we're out of time! We did it!